A lot of times the CD sellers, what they're selling, the CDs are actually blank. When you take them and pop them into a machine, they're like, here are $5 to support my musical career here, and you take it and pop it into a machine, it has nothing on there. And so what we've also seen a lot of times with the CD sellers is that they'll use it as a ruse to get up close with our tourists and citizens that are up and down the strip, and they use it as an opportunity to assess their viability as a potential mark or victim. And depending upon their size, demeanor, assertiveness, whether they're drunk or appear to be high, they'll basically then, maybe just snatch their wallet out of their hand or turn into a strong arm robbery, punch them in the mouth, and take their purse or wallet. So we've made a number of arrests for strong arm street robbery for the CD vendors as a result of that. So it's kind of a combination of they're doing business without a license, they're putting our citizens and tourists at risk, and then again with the water vendors, a lot of times now they're putting alcohol into the containers that they're toting around on the bridges. You don't know what's in the water bottles. They'll fill the water bottles up sometimes out of the fountains at the various properties up and down the strip, and then reseal them. And so we've got a health issue with respect to what's being put out there to the public. You've got an issue with respect to, you're basically blocking some of the access to those stairs and the bridges and the sidewalks by putting these giant coolers out there for their wares. But typically on a citation, you're talking about 2 months before somebody goes to the judge. So really what we did is we moved that piece of the criminal justice system that much closer to the initial contact and enforcement, and we're going to see how well it works.